we're using a shell-on, easy peel shrimp, making the often tricky task of peeling shrimp an absolute breeze. You'll see that the shrimp is pre-split and completely deveined, so you don't have to do it at home. Simply pinch the shell along the inside of the curve of the shrimp and peel it off. For the tail, just peel back the tail shell, twist to remove. For shrimp pasta recipes, I always remove the tail shell. Who wants shells in your pasta? I hate that. Now let's prep our broccoli. With a small knife, cut the individual florets from the stem. Then, if you've got some larger florets, it's a good idea to cut them in half lengthwise. Add your broccoli florets to a large pot of boiling salted water and cook until bright green and just tender enough to pierce with a fork. So, chopping garlic just got a lot easier. Let's use a microplane and carefully run the clove along its surface. The fine grating will release that wonderful aromatic garlic flavor. In a large frying pan over medium heat, add a hearty pour of extra virgin olive oil and let it heat up for about a minute. We'll be cooking the shrimp over a much lower heat today. Make sure to pat your shrimp dry before they hit the pan. Once they're in, spread them out evenly in one layer. No crowding allowed. Now, season with salt and fresh cracked black pepper. Cook the shrimp for about 2 to 3 minutes on one side. Then flip them over for another 1 to 2 minutes on the other. They should cook up bright white and shrimp red in color and have a springy firmness when fully cooked. Add that grated garlic to the pan and give it a good mix into the olive oil using a silicone spatula or a wooden spoon. Here's where the flavors really start dancing. Now, everyone's favorite, pour in some heavy cream and give it a thorough stir. Keep this at a medium-high simmer, which will reduce and thicken the sauce. Time to bring it all together. Add those tender broccoli florets and the cooked pasta into the pan. For some creamy richness, drop in a few tabs of butter and a generous palmful of fresh Parmesan cheese. Now add some lemon zest for a burst of bright citrusy flavor. Give it all a good mix, letting that creamy sauce coat every nook and cranny. Finally, it's time for our cooked shrimp to make their grand entrance. Toss them into the pan, give it all one last hearty mix, and go ahead, dig in and savor these flavors. Enjoy.